I'd never seen somebody so high. They had floaties on.
And here's the thing, Lee couldn't say anything, so he would be like, I'd be like, Lee, and he'd go, yeah. And I was like, are you all right? He's like, oh. And he'd forget to like click. He was just sitting there, snoring, sitting down, like snoring in his seat. And then Joey's like, look at this fucking idiot. He's like, you know what he does all day? He watches SportsCenter. I hear his phone go, da-na-na, da-na-na. Like, get your fucking shit together, Lee. I'm like, you are crippling this man. Like, SportsCenter is all he can handle.
He's working at Enterprise Rental now, dude.